This is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active5, and in today's video I will show how you can record the screen on this device. So to start, open your quick access or control panel. Here find the screen recorder, hold your finger at it to launch the screen recorder settings and preferences. Here they are. On this page you can decide which sound will be recorded, what quality your screen recordings will have. You can adjust the selfie video size, enable or disable the taps during your screen recording, and change the folder those screen recordings will be saved to. Now let's try using it. So start recording. Once you are recording, you can draw obviously, change color. You can point at things if you have an S Pen. You can enable the the video from your selfie camera, pause the recording, resume it, or stop it. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.